The way to an investor's heart is through their stomach. That seems to be Faraday Future's thinking, as it showcased its FX Aegis quadruped robot, autonomously completing a real-world food delivery task without human intervention. Aside from being equipped with a rear-mounted basket that's meant for use cases like last-mile delivery, the brains behind the demonstration were from the integration of OpenClaw, an open-source robotics framework, into Faraday Future's EAI brain system. This integration enables a more intuitive form of human-robot interaction by allowing the robot to function like a contact in a messaging app. Users can assign tasks and receive updates simply through text-based communication, eliminating the need for technical expertise. This approach lowers barriers to adoption and makes interaction with robots more accessible, effectively turning them into personal AI agents that can be directed as easily as messaging another person. OpenClaw also introduces no-code and low-code development capabilities, allowing developers and even non-technical users to create and deploy robotic skills through conversational instructions. With open APIs connecting to existing internet applications, the system enables rapid expansion of robot functionality across diverse scenarios. This represents a shift away from traditional robotics development, which typically requires extensive reprogramming for each new task. By modularizing capabilities and decoupling functions, the platform allows robots to adapt more quickly to new environments and use cases, supporting broader and faster deployment. Looking ahead, Faraday Future plans to leverage OpenClaw's world memory to enable robots to learn from user behavior and preferences over time. This would allow the Aegis robot to evolve from a reactive tool into a proactive assistant capable of anticipating needs and initiating actions independently. Potential applications range from household tasks, such as retrieving packages, to commercial roles in hospitality and service industries. These developments align with FF's broader strategy of building a revenue ecosystem based on devices, skills, and data, reinforcing a feedback loop it describes as the device-data-brain flywheel. From a business perspective, the FX Aegis robot is positioned as a relatively accessible product, with a starting price of $2,490 and additional costs for ecosystem skill packages. FF reports that its EAI robotics segment achieved positive product gross margins in the first quarter of 2026. It is targeting cumulative shipments exceeding 1,000 units by the end of the year, reflecting confidence in both demand and production scalability. Beyond product development, Faraday Future is actively engaging in broader discussions about AI's role in society. Company leaders recently participated in the 2026 Columbia Global Sustainability Summit, where they explored how AI and robotics could reshape industries and human civilization. They highlighted applications across education, scientific research, security, and entertainment, while also emphasizing the importance of governance frameworks to guide human-AI collaboration. Education is emerging as a focus since FF is looking to establish the first scaled EAI education ecosystem in the United States by deploying robotics technologies in K-12 schools, and potentially partnering with institutions such as the University of California system. The goal is to create AI robotics labs and hands-on learning environments that prepare students for an AI-driven future. This initiative reflects a broader vision of integrating robotics into everyday learning and fostering early familiarity with AI technologies. Faraday Future now frames its long-term vision as a transition from a hardware-focused company to one centered on AI, data, and ecosystem value. It sees the EAI industry as potentially surpassing the automotive sector in scale, with a future where individuals widely adopt personal AI agents. FF is already drawing parallels to how other tech companies have leveraged integrated ecosystems to drive growth and innovation, pointing to how its approach combines robotics hardware with software, data, and services.